Here we have a 2017 17 plate BMW 420D GRAN Coupe M Sport in Snapper Rocks Blue. Now we have 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels, M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We also have LED headlights, black kidney grills, M Sport styling kit which includes black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and rear diffuser. There's a look at another alloy wheel. Now we do have black window trim, so it's privacy glass, shark fin antenna, GRAN Coupe badging on the rear window, as you can see just up there. There's another look at the alloy wheel. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors, dual exhaust flush for the rear bumper and rear diffuser. Now we do have the power assisted rear tailgate. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and truly does look superb from every angle. There's another look at an alloy wheel. Heading to the rear of the car, we have full Dakota leather, which is called Cognac. It's brown and does look absolutely superb. Pull down leather armour to 2 nice size cup holders. We also have ISOFIX points just down there. On the doors, we have electric windows, carbon fibre trim, leather trim again, and we have integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Go to the front of the car, there's a look at the driver's full Cognac leather front seat, which is extremely comfy and has extended 5-sport if you may need it. We have electric windows and again integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping in, we have auto lights just down there. Foot on the brake, we have keyless start, and down here we have 2 buttons. We have collision warning and lane keeping assist. Now this vehicle has done just over 71,100 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. We do have a multifunction steering wheel, cruise control and speed limiter just there, as well as paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. We do have auto lights just there. We also have auto wipers on the other side. In the centre, we have satellite navigation, as well as media connectivity. We have DAB radio. Scroll across, we have FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, and also USB. Pop car into reverse, you can see the front and rear parking sensors just there. If we go back, we have also phone connectivity, different drive modes where we have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus. We also have different sport displays of the kilowatts of power that you're using and also the newton-meter torque. Coming down here, we have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, with ice cold aircon, and the 2 front seats are also heated, so for those cold winter mornings, it really does make all the difference. We also have a USB port just there, with a little bit of a storage tray. Open this up, we have 2 nice size cup holders, 12-volt connectivity. We can turn traction control on and off, as well as drive mode select. We turn parking sensors on and off as well. We also have this, which controls everything that happens on the screen. We also have a touchpad, just on there, where you can zoom in and out of the map. We have soft touch leather armrest, which moves forwards and back to suit your driving position. We also have storage underneath as well. And there's a look at the passenger's full Cognac leather seat, again, which is extremely comfy, and has extended 5 support. On the dash, again, we have the carbon fibre trim with the brush metal trim, which really does look absolutely superb. We also have heads-up display, as you can see just there. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 420D GRAN Coupe M Sport. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you'd expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's functions and show you that they work exactly how you'd expect. First off, we've got our gear changes. So we are currently in 6th gear, down into 5th, into 6th, 7th, and 8th. As you can tell from my body movements and the surroundings outside, completely seamless transitions, no jerky movements at all. Cruise control we activate by pressing the cruise button and then flipping up on this trigger just here. Now cruising at 46 miles an hour with no issues at all. To deactivate this, I'll simply tap the brake and we're back to normal control. Now I'm just slowing down for this roundabout where I'll be taking a left turn as if you were here with us today. It's also an incredibly comfortable vehicle. This, you've got the full leather saddle brown interior with the heated seats. Very, very comfortable place to be sat. All the modern amenities we could desire: sat nav, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging in here, and we've got various different intelligent safety forms as well. So if you see on the screen there, we've got collision warning, pedestrian alert. We've also got lane departure warning should we wish to use them. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our delivery ever so slightly to make it contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself. Now, we are a 5-star dealership as well. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. If you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Another great feature to add on this vehicle is we do have a heads-up display, so I can see my speed on the window at all times very nice, so you don't have to take your head from the road. Yes. Now, I'm just about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, very sharp brakes work as it should. Put the vehicle into reverse. We've got our front and rear visual display of our sensors just there, all working exactly how you would expect. Now, this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, that isn't possible at the moment due to the COVID-19 situation. However, do get in touch. Part exchanges are more than welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online walkthrough, the online pictures, or this test drive, then do get in touch. Someone in the team would be more than happy to do a FaceTime call with yourself, walk around the vehicle, show you any specific components, answer any specific questions, and just show you what the vehicle has to offer. But until then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.